Hi everyone and welcome to your February release Roundup. In this short video, I'll walk you through the latest enhancements designed to save you time, reduce admin and give you better visibility across your platform. Let's jump in. First up, custom fields just got more flexible. Now previously, once a custom field had been shared with a module, that was it. If you needed to share it anywhere else, you needed to recreate it. So now you can extend that sharing at any time. So if I just find my languages spoken custom field. So this lives against course templates. I set per course template what languages it covers. And currently, this is just shared with the courses module. Now with this update, I can share it with additional modules, so I can choose to also share it with delegates and save and close. Now this works with both brand new and historical custom fields, so no rebuilding required. Next up, we have smarter scheduling with instant clash visibility for your resources. This is my personal favorite update in this release. If we head over to the resources or resource requirements data grid for a course, there is a new column available that you can add in here called clash. Now this will show you a yes if any of your resources are double booked, marked as unavailable, or if you've scheduled them outside of their working hours, their availability hours. So we can see here the hub is in fact a clash. So even better, we've added in more columns to give you an indication or some context as to why that resource has a clash. I created a data grid view for this, so if I just open up views and enable this one that I prepared earlier, I've just called it monitor clashes. The three new columns are availability clash, resource clash IDs and unavailability clash IDs. This first one shows us whether the clash is a result of working hours. So it's not. We are within the working hours of the hub. The resource clash IDs shows us which courses we are clashing with. So we can see here that the hub is assigned to this course, but also this course at the same time. And I can click this as a dynamic link for me to get to more information about that course. And then the final column here, unavailability, this would show us any IDs of unavailabilities where there was a clash. So whether that is that the venue is being redecorated or the trainer is on holiday or in a meeting. So yeah, very, very handy. This next update is in the report engine. So following our launch of scheduling report engine reports in our last update, we got so much feedback that you'd like to be able to send these reports in different formats. So we've added that in. If we take a look at any of these reports and head over to schedule, create a new schedule like we want to email this out automatically. We have all the same settings that we had before, but we have a new option now called report format. So PDF is still perfect for sending out those, like board ready summaries. But if your team needs to be able to manipulate data, run calculations, or import it into another system, you can opt for CSV or XLSX. Now, when you're sending in the Excel version, each gadget will appear in its own sheet. If you opt for CSV, all of the gadget data will be in one sheet. Next, bulk edit for booking users and booking accounts is back. So you can once again update the booking user ID or the booking account ID across multiple bookings directly from your booking smart grid. So this is perfect for staff changes, if a customer account restructures, or if you need to correct any bookings. All done with a couple of clicks. You just need to find the booking or bookings, select them, head to bulk edit and use the booking account ID or the booking user ID. There it is. And Shopping Basket 3 has had an update. So if you haven't yet made the move to our new checkout basket, you might want to take advantage of this. So the PO number field that we see here can now appear conditionally based on the payment method selected. So if the person booking has selected invoice or backs, the PO number field will appear. If they select card or anything else, it disappears. So I'll just choose credit card / debit and it's gone. So this makes that payment step more intuitive. Now this setting is controlled in the background, so please get in touch with our lovely support team if you would like it enabled. Last but not least, an important future-proofing update. Now this only applies to a small number of Access Planet customers, but if your platform is currently set up to send emails through your own mail server rather than Access Planet sending emails on your behalf, and you're using Microsoft 365 to do this, this update is for you. So Microsoft is retiring basic SMTP authentication. So if you're using Microsoft 365 via SMTP with a username and password, you'll need to make the move over to OAuth 2.0. So to help with this, we've added a new SMTP OAuth configuration page where super admins can securely configure this. If you use our mail servers, you don't need to do anything, but if you are using that Microsoft 365 SMTP, we recommend planning your upgrade. And if you're not sure, just get in touch with a member of our team and we'll confirm with you if you need to make this update. And that's your February release. A lot more flexibility, better visibility, and future-proofed email delivery. If you'd like any help or support with using or enabling any of these features, just reach out to our support advisors. See you next time.